Hello guys, good morning. Right now I am at Heathrow Airport. This time I'm traveling solo again. And Bruna is not with me and I have to do all the filming alone. Let's see what I can do. Right now I'm going to buy toothpaste because I forgot it and I don't have it. And I don't have any currency rather than euro and pounds. I should get the new currency for Czech. Let's see. You know, usually when I'm at the airport with Bruno, I go for breakfast, but now I'm alone. I don't know what to do. I'm not hungry and I don't want breakfast. I like to do window shopping and I've done all of them. And what to do? The gate is not still open and I think I'm just reading my book. Right now, gate 3. Guys, I'm going to board the plane and see you all in Prague. Hey guys, now I am in Prague. I found that getting taxi is too expensive and I found out, okay, the best way to travel is using public transport. Hello guys from Prague. I finally arrived in Prague and now I'm in the center and in my room. My bed is so big and I'm so excited. I took a shower, I got changed and I'm going to the old town. Let's go and see other friends. Let's go.
Is back.
Yes!
This time conquering another city.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go and eat. We are so hungry. Are you hungry?
Oh yes. I'm starving.
What did you order?
A schnitzel with mashed potatoes.
Okay. And what about you?
Schnitzel with french fries.
What, yours is chicken?
No, mine's pork.
Mine is pork.
I am the different one. Look what we have here.
I love my berries.
How much was it?
The other one we bought last time was like
But they were more,
6 euros.
150.
we are going to a tower to have a great view of Prague with Elena.
Did you know that Prague is the new city of love? And the Tower of Prague is better than the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, now we are changing the name of Prague to City of Love. And the tower actually looks like Eiffel Tower.
It is, but that's where it was inspired from.
Yes.
They went to Paris and it actually took 5 months to complete, which was quite fast.
Yeah. Everyone is going by car and we are walking and it's so hot.
But we're trying to be fit, so we're like walking our way up.
Yes.
Tower of Love.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Why are you nagging?
Me, no, not nagging. I'm very happy. I'm excited to go up there. See?
How many steps you are going to?
400.
400. Yeah. Are you excited about that? Yeah. Right now, I don't know how many stairs we are going up. And yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Go. After climbing 400 steps, now we are at the top of the tower. You can see the view, it's really great. Right now I'm going down here, it's so good. It feels like the AC is on. And if you want to come to Prague and you want to visit this tower, there are two ways. You can just do what we did, just try the climbing the stair, or you can just go up by a lift. I mean, it's up to you, but I like climbing the stair because when you climb the stair you see everything, but this is the lift and you can see it's not really that appealing. Today was an eventful day and I started very early from 5 a.m. in London, and I'm going to end the vlog here in Prague, and it's night and we are heading for dinner, and tomorrow we are going to somewhere else. I don't know exactly where, but I know that we are going to stay in a castle and it's in the northwest of Czech. Same as always, thanks for watching and don't forget to push the down button below and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos.